If you ask me how it has managed to stay in power or what are the tenets of its success to its people, I would tell you that CPC has done to China what I would wish other political parties in other countries would do to its people. They were thinking about eradicating poverty. The CPC is people-driven. The policies that they implement, the things that they come up with are geared towards making the people of China better. And I did mention earlier, and I will repeat it by emphasizing that one of the things that they have done is completely eradicating poverty. That's what you need a political party to do. That's what you need politics for. It's for the people. It's very easy to do business with China. I don't even need to travel to China to do business with the Chinese people. I just need to do it from my house. For as long as I have internet, I have connection, then I'm able to do business. And honesty, once business is agreed on, it's done. That's what you need. I have been to China once. I think I went to Shenzhen. That's the city that houses Huawei. I was impressed. I was told that city only came into existence 30 years ago. But that city is huge, it's massive, it's beautiful. Those are kind of things that you want to see in a progressive country. That's my association with China. Not so much about its politics, but its style of leadership. From what we see with our naked eye, I am impressed.